Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathelite. In this video we are going to continue with the second exercise of rational and irrational numbers. Question number 13, write in ascending order. Now you are given some roots over here and you have to arrange them in ascending order. Now whenever you are given roots, okay, and you have to arrange them in some order, be it ascending order or descending order, then you have to do two things. First thing is, जो नंबर रूट के बाहर है उसको रूट के अंदर शिफ्ट करना है. You have to take it inside the root. That is the first thing you have to do. Second thing is, when you shift the number inside the root, its power is going to change. So first thing you have to do is shift it inside the root, and the second thing you have to do is change its power. So you have to keep these two things in mind. So let us start solving. Now the first number is 3 root 5. Okay, I'll write down the number. Now the first step is going to be to shift it inside the root. So I'll shift the number outside the root inside the root, and as soon as I shift it inside, the second immediate step is to change its power. I have to change its power over here. यहाँ पे square root है तो the power is going to be 2. If I would have cube root over here, then the power would be 3. If it would be say 7th root, then the power here would be 7. So the power depends on the root का power. So over here I have square root, that is why the power over here is going to be 2. Now what I'll get is 5 into 9. 5 nines are 45, so the answer is square root of 45. Now you can see it is easy. Now similarly I'll convert this also into similar root, and then we can compare the numbers inside the root. So 4 root 3, I'll shift 4 inside the root. That is my first step. As soon as I shift the number inside the root, I'll be changing its power. यहाँ पे square root है तो the power is going to be 2. Now 3 into 16 हो जाएगा. 3 16s are 48. Now you can see it is easy to compare these two numbers. Square root of 45, square root of 48. Obviously square root of 48 is bigger and this one is having smaller value. So now arranging the numbers in ascending order. Square root of 45, which is less than square root of 48. Now square root of 45 क्या है? It is 3 root 5, and square root of 48 is 4 root 3. Now the next two numbers are 2 cube root of 5 and 3 cube root of 2. Now we'll write down the number first, that is 2 cube root of 5. First step is going to be shifting the number inside the root. So I'll shift the number inside the root. Second immediate step is to change its power. I have cube root over here, so the power is going to be 3. Now I'll solve this. So I'll get 5 into 8. 8 5s are 40. So I have cube root of 40 over here. Next number is 3 cube root of 2. Now 3 will be shifted inside. First step is to shift it inside. Second immediate step is to change its power. Now I'll solve it. So I'll get 2 into 3 cube is going to be 27. 27 into 2 gives 54. Now this one is the smaller number, this one is the bigger number. So arranging numbers in ascending order, we'll get cube root of 40 is less than cube root of 54. Original wala numbers we'll replace, that is 2 cube root of 5 and 3 cube root of 2. Moving on to the last part of the question. The numbers are 6 root 5, 7 root 3 and 8 root 2. We'll write down the number first, that is 6 root 5. First step is to take the number inside the root. So I'll shift it inside. Immediate second step is changing its power. Now I'll solve it. So I'll get 5 into 36, which gives 180. Next number is 7 root 3. First step is to shift the number inside. Second immediate step is to change its power. Now we'll solve it. 3 into 49. This gives 147. Third number is 8 root 2. First step, shifting the number inside the root. So I'll get 8 square. Second step is to change its power. So I'll solve it. 2 into 64, which gives 128. Now we have to arrange the numbers. So arranging the numbers in ascending order. The lowest number is root of 128. Second number is going to be 147. And third, the biggest number is 180. I'll replace it with the original numbers. So I'll get 8 root 2, 7 root 3 and 6 root 5. Question number 14. Write in descending order. You are given the roots over here and you have to write them in descending order, that is bigger number से छोटा number के order में लिखना है. Okay, bigger number will come first and then you will move on to the smallest number. Now, the first two numbers are 2 4th root of 6 and 3 4th root of 2. So 2 4th root of 6. First step is to shift the number inside the root. So I'll shift the number inside the root, and as soon as I shift it inside the root, the second immediate step is to change its power. So I have 4th root, that is why it will become raised to 4 over here. So 4th root of 6 into 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 क्या हो जाएगा? 2 2s are 4. Okay, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. So I'll have 4th root of 96. 66 into 16 gives 96. Now next number is 3 4th root of 2. So first step is to shift the number inside the root. So I'll shift it inside the root. As soon as I shift it, its power is going to change. यहाँ पे 4th root है तो यहाँ पे 4 हो जाएगा. Now I'll solve it. 2 into 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 2s are 27 3s are is going to be 81. Okay. Now You can work it out. Okay, you can solve it and then write down the answer. 2 into 81 gives 162. So 4th root of 96 and 4th root of 162, obviously this one is the bigger number and this one is the smaller number. So arranging the numbers in descending order, I'll write the bigger number first. So 4th root of 162 and then 4th root of 96. I'll replace them with the original numbers. So original number 162 ka, it is 3, 4th root of 2 and 4th root of 96 ka 2, 4th root of 6. Moving on to the second part of the question. The numbers are 7 root 3 and 3 root 7. Now 7 root 3, I'll shift the number inside the root. So 3 into 7, the power is going to be 2 because I have square root over here, so the power will be 2. 3 into 49, it gives 147. Next number is 3 root of 7. I'll shift 3 inside the root. Power is going to change. So 7 into 9 gives 63. Obviously this one is the bigger number and this one is the smaller number. So now arranging the numbers in descending order, I'll write the bigger number first and then the smaller number, replacing them with the original numbers. 147, root of 147 is 7 root 3 and root of 63 is 3 root 7.